So I've tried to record this a couple of times and I always forget some type of important detail. So this is the last time, right? Third time's a charm. If I forget it, I don't know, maybe you can go look it up. I'll link it per usual. And if you're even interested. But 3:30 this morning, our phones went off for an emergency alert. It's parallel to an Amber Alert. Said armed suspect, 67th and Dixon, stay secured. I'm like, okay. So I go and look it up on Google Maps. Figure out it's about 2.5 miles away. Walk around the house. Everything's quiet. I didn't know how far they were in their pursuit. I didn't really know what was happening. So I go to my police scanner that I have on my phone, and I use that for a reason. It's free, and, I can clearly hear what's going on. So I'm listening, and I figure out that he had made it, 7 blocks to 60th in Maine. And a police officer reported that somebody called in, which I'm glad this happened, finally. Somebody called in and said that he was, crouching down in front of a car. So about a minute or two later, I hear police officer get on the scanner and say, shots fired, suspect shot himself in the head. And briefly after that, they requested ME and assistance to put out yellow tape. At this point, I don't know what happened prior other than it was a routine traffic stop for a registration violation, I believe. And the deputy had called in for help. The driver was secured while the passenger ran. The deputy chased him. The suspect shot at him 2 or 3 times. He got hit in the arms, and torso. But it is told to me that it was non-life threatening and the cop should be okay. Shout out to Milwaukee Police Department. You guys did an excellent job. I appreciate it. I've been noticing lately because I've given them a lot of flack in the past and even recently, but I'm starting to notice that a lot of these cases are getting solved and the job's getting done. So I don't really have too many complaints at this point. This guy right here apparently witnessed it, and him himself said that they were diligent. And as I know, there's dirty cops, okay? I get it. There are bad police out there. But I think the good outweighs the bad, and I'm going to stick to that, and I want to believe it. Because I can't imagine anybody would enter the police force with the intent of, doing something malicious. Because, when you enter this line of work, you might not make it home. So, that's one of the consequences that comes with it. And if you're putting your life on the line for the community, I can't do anything but salute you. I don't like to hear about a 25-year-old that killed himself, nor somebody shooting at police. It's all bad, all around the board. My thoughts and prayers are with his family also. I don't know what happened prior to the traffic stop. I just don't know. But it is what it is. You guys have a great evening. and take care.